In this video, I'm going to show you how to get faster meme coin transactions with Axiom. So Axiom is actually one of the best platforms for trading meme coins. It's packed with premium features such as Twitter tracker, wallet tracker, etc. and they are all completely for free on here. So in case you don't have an account yet, there's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment, and if you sign up using my link, you'll get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever. So make sure you check that out. Now, from here, once you're inside Axiom, to get faster meme coin transactions, here's how you can actually do it and get faster fills. So, go to the top right where you can see your profile icon, click on that and click on Account and Security. Here, you can go to Wallets and click on Manage Wallets. And in here, you can actually get this. Now, if you hover over your main wallet, you can see a rocket emoji over here. And if you hover over that, it says Activate Turbo Mode. When you click that, it will say Turbo transactions get sent to top validators, giving you the best chance of success. Turbo Mode automatically adjusts your ratio of priority fee and bribe fee to beat out other transactions. And it says this is a premium feature designed for traders who need the fastest possible execution in competitive markets. Okay, so this is basically how to get it. Now, you will have to pay 0.0073 Solana, but trust me, is it worth it? And nothing goes to Axiom over here. It just basically happens because there will have to be some nonce accounts made and they cost a bit, and of course you'll have to pay this. So nothing of this goes to Axiom. Again, they offer this completely for free, and if you enable this turbo mode over here, you'll then get faster fills and you'll be able to enter in quicker in competitive markets. So that's pretty much it. As I said, link down below to sign up to Axiom and grab your 10% off fees. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.